Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, The College Process. Once again, I'm Ed from Principia Prep, and today we're going to be going over the best day to appeal for more financial aid consideration, the Accepted Students Day. But before we begin, if you are new to the channel and looking for additional college content, please hit the subscription button down below. It will notify you when new videos do come out. As well as if you do enjoy today's video, please leave us a like, it does help the channel. As well as for seniors out there in high school going off to college next year, we are still running the James Russell Memorial Scholarship. For senior families out there, if you're looking for scholarship funds for your student in senior year going off to college next year, down below in the description is the link for the video explaining how our scholarship program works, the James Russell Memorial Scholarship here. Also down below in the description is our organization's Venmo, as well as our buy us a coffee, if you want to help support the channel, allowing us to keep making these college videos for you guys out there. And all that being said, let's jump right into today's video. What is the best day to appeal for more financial aid assistance? Admitted Students Day. Now for many of you guys out there, you're probably looking to appeal the scholarships and grant money you were given by the financial aid admissions offices, because every year students and parents are looking to basically maximize those numbers to then help out with the college costs for the upcoming academic year. Now, before I get into what is the best day to appeal for more scholarships and grant money, let me go over how the whole process works. The way appeals work, whether you're appealing scholarship money or grant money, you kind of have to know what you're doing first from this perspective. When it comes to appealing scholarship money, this is given to you by the admissions office. So when you're appealing scholarship money, typically you want to appeal it with the admissions office. When you're appealing grant money, whether it's federal Pell Grants, whether it's state grant money, or the school's institutional grant money, you want to appeal that with the financial aid office. So now we kind of got the basics out of the way. That being said, the best day to appeal typically is the Admitted Students Day. And on the Admitted Students Day, what you're really looking to appeal is both the scholarship money and in some cases the grant. But the most important of these two on Admitted Students Day is usually the scholarship money from this perspective. For many of you guys who are not aware, most colleges out there that have Admitted Students Day, the way it works is very simple. It's a day where they basically have the students come on campus, those who have been accepted to the college, and basically walk them around the campus, see the labs, see the dorm rooms, see the cafeteria, see the sports facilities, so on and so forth. It's basically their day to sell the college. The whole thing about the Admitted Students Day is they want to basically sell that student and their family on that university or college, so then they make a deposit that day, basically locking in spots for the admissions office to say, hey, we're meeting our numbers from the admissions point of view. That being said, the key scenario here is that since the admissions office is looking to get deposits, one of the things that we're looking to do is obviously sit down with the admissions officer and look to appeal scholarship money. And this is the way I'll be doing it. Let's say that school gave you, as an example, $10,000 in scholarship money for that institution where you're doing the Admitted Students Day. I would be bringing with you additional scholarship letters from other colleges. So if another school gave you $15,000, another school gave you $20,000, whatever the other schools gave you, I'd be bringing those letters with me. Then at the end of the day, or when you're able to sit down with the admissions rep, you can always say, hey, we love the school, we love the campus, everything is great. We really appreciate the $10,000 scholarship you guys gave us, but we want to make you aware the other colleges we're considering possibly attending have given us $15,000 or $20,000 or $25,000 in scholarship funds. We're looking to see what you can do to help us out on the cost perspective by giving us more scholarship money. Now, the main reason you're looking to appeal this specific day on the scholarship side is because this is the day the admissions office is looking to get deposits. So they're a lot more open to negotiate on the scholarship front. They're a lot easier to basically nudge $10,000 into, let's say, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, or even $15,000. Where if you're doing a different appeal where you're just basically emailing them or contacting them through the phone or any other method, that's not, in some cases, the most beneficial. The most beneficial, though, is the day that they're looking for deposits. That day they're willing, and more willing, let's call it, to give more money out. So this is the day I'm really kind of like pushing the admissions office and saying, hey, we'd love a deposit, but cost is obviously a factor. So I'm looking to push the admissions office with other offers to see if they will break, let's call it, and give us more scholarship consideration. Because the way to think about it is very simple in the world of financial aid. When it comes to scholarship money specifically, that money will typically guarantee to your student for all 4 years, freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year of college. So any increase you're able to get on that Admitted Students Day, the day they're more open and willing to give more money out, that day will basically help out the next 4 years in a row. So this is a very important day to try to negotiate the scholarship money. Now on the other front, let's talk financial aid. On the financial aid front, you can look to kind of do the same stuff, but they're typically not as willing in the financial aid office as they are in the admissions office to give away money on the Admitted Students Day. So that's why most of my focus is on the Admitted Students Day is the admissions office to try to increase scholarship money. That doesn't mean, however, I'm not going to financial aid. I'm still going to financial aid after I do the admissions meeting and basically doing the same thing with them. hey, your college, as an example, costs $50,000. You guys said, according to the FAFSA, that we can pay $20,000. So we have $30,000 of financial need. Between what the scholarship money came in and what the grant money came in, let's say they gave you $20,000. So we're $10,000 short. School costs $50,000, we can pay $20,000. You guys gave us $20,000 in grants and scholarship. We're $10,000 short on the need-based side. What can we do to basically fill this void to make it a lot easier for our family to choose your college before we deposit? So in a similar way, you're basically pushing both offices on Admit Students Day while you're there, while both officers are basically being told by the board of directors, get deposits. Your mindset should always be get more scholarship money, as well as if you can also get more grant money, let's try to lock it up as much as we can before the academic year starts. Because good, bad, or indifferent, once you guys send a deposit, no matter what deposit it is, whether it's an admissions deposit, whether it's an admissions deposit and a housing deposit, once they have deposits, they're less willing to negotiate with you in most cases on the scholarship front and the grant side. But since you're there for Admit Students Day, their whole mindset is get deposits. Your whole mindset should be let's decrease the price and get more scholarship money and more grant money from these guys. Now, all that being said, if you need help in the process, whether it be admissions or financial aid or anything college related, I do help a lot of families out in the entire process. On the screen is my contact information. If you need assistance, I do meet with most families through Zoom meetings. You can either call me or text, that's my cell phone number, or send me an email. Either way, I'll be able to help you guys out. And all that being said, thank you for watching today's video. Once again, my name is Ed from Principia Prep.